Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest, in-depth reviews. Today, we're talking about a product that takes your grooming routine up a notch, the MANSCAPED Beard and Body Bundle 5.0, which includes the Beard Hedger Premium Precision Trimmer and the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra Electric Groin and Body Hair Trimmer. Let's dive into the details and see if this bundle is worth adding to your grooming arsenal. The MANSCAPED Beard and Body Bundle 5.0 is designed to help men achieve precise, smooth grooming for both beards and body hair. The Beard Hedger is equipped with an intuitive zoom wheel, offering 20 different length settings, ranging from 0.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters. This eliminates the need for multiple clipper attachments. It's waterproof with an IPX7 rating, meaning it's safe to use in the shower and can handle immersion in fresh water for up to 30 minutes. The Beard Hedger also features a 7,200 RPM motor, providing powerful, consistent trimming performance, and the battery offers 60 minutes of use per charge. The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra, on the other hand, is specifically designed for body hair. It comes with two interchangeable skin-safe blade heads, one trimmer blade and one foil blade, each optimized for smooth, close shaves. The Lawn Mower is versatile, perfect for trimming groin, body, and even back hair, and it's wireless with USB-C charging compatibility for easy use on the go. In real-world use, the Beard Hedger is incredibly easy to use. The zoom wheel offers a quick way to adjust the length without fumbling with attachments, which is a huge time saver. I found that it trimmed through facial hair effortlessly, whether I was going for a short stubble or a fuller look. The motor is strong enough to handle thicker hair, but it's also smooth and gentle on the skin. Plus, being waterproof adds convenience, especially when trimming in the shower. The only downside I noticed was that the zoom wheel can be a bit stiff when trying to adjust the length quickly, but once you get the hang of it, it's not a deal breaker. The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra is also a standout in terms of performance. I used the trimmer blade first to shorten body hair, and it worked flawlessly on my chest, arms, and even the back area. When it was time for a closer shave, the foil blade gave a smooth, irritation-free finish. I found the adjustable combs useful, allowing for a range of trim lengths. However, I did notice that the trimmer's power can be inconsistent if it's not fully charged, so always make sure it's topped off before use. Additionally, while skin-safe technology helps reduce nicks, it's not foolproof. Be cautious around sensitive areas. As for the pros and cons, here's a quick breakdown. Pros. The zoom wheel on the Beard Hedger is easy to use and eliminates the need for multiple attachments. Waterproof design on both trimmers, making them versatile for shower use. Long-lasting battery life with quick charging via USB-C. The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra offers smooth, close shaves with interchangeable blades. Skin-safe technology helps reduce nicks and cuts. Cons. The zoom wheel on the Beard Hedger can be stiff at times. The trimmer's power can dip slightly if not fully charged. Skin-safe technology isn't a guarantee against cuts, especially on sensitive areas. So, does this bundle offer good value for money? At its price point, considering the dual functionality of both the Beard Hedger and the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra, I'd say it's a solid investment. You're getting a reliable, versatile system for trimming both facial and body hair, along with the convenience of being able to use them in the shower. For those who want a comprehensive grooming solution, it's worth the spend. When comparing this set to other similar products on the market, what stands out is the precision of the Beard Hedger and the dual blade system of the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra. There are other trimmers out there, but this one offers a unique combination of performance and ease of use, especially with the waterproof feature and the skin-safe technology. Some alternatives might be cheaper, but they don't always offer the same level of precision or versatility. Now, if you're looking for an alternative, there are definitely cheaper trimmers out there, but most don't offer the same level of performance or features, such as the adjustable zoom wheel or dual blade heads. If you want something more budget-friendly, you might want to check out brands like Philips or Remington, but keep in mind that you may have to compromise on certain features. Overall, the MANSCAPED Beard and Body Bundle 5.0 is a solid grooming kit for men who want a comprehensive solution for both beard and body care. It's effective, versatile, and designed for ease of use. If you're looking for precision, smoothness, and convenience, this bundle could be a great choice. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so others looking for a grooming solution can also find this video. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with the product. Catch you next time with another review, and remember, stay sharp, stay stylish, and keep it beautyistic.